Yeah, my name is Lomama Godfrey, Ugandan national.
My name is Shoit Maratab. I came from Eritrea. I'm a refugee.
My name is Imani Wani, Congolese by nationality.
Called Erifan Kungwa by the name. I'm a Congolese by nationality, but currently living in Uganda as a refugee here in Nakivale refugee settlement.
This online program, it is helpful for me. Really, it is improved my skill, especially like how to create a professional CV or portfolio.
Not only did I get to be in a space of people from different backgrounds, but I also I refreshed in a couple of areas that I neglected along the way in my IT professional. And then the highlight was introducing me to AI. I picked a lot of interest in AI ever since.
First, I learned a lot of skills out of this, the one that I had, but also about the livelihood. It helped me again to get a job because I got like a first contract online gig or about online gig, and I did it very well, and they paid me also very well.
I have got to experience more on the apps of gigs online, like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, how to apply on it, and I've got to be taught by the most experienced people.
A very nice presentations, training, practical and theoretical was given, group discussions. It was really detailed information. They really mentored us to be confident on these online programs.
This training was a good opportunity for me to get to know where I can promote my skills and how I can make money out of them. It was also a great opportunity for networking with a lot of fellows, content creators, web developers from different parts of Africa.
It's something which has really impacted my life, not just my life actually, even for those around me. I'm involved in so many projects. It's more, for the first time in my life, I feel like I can call myself a writer. The online gig work program has given me what we call confidence to write stories, and these stories have been going globally. Every day there are people, companies or organizations who want to work with me basically because of what I wrote.
I had the opportunity to connect with those coming from Somalia, Eritrea, South Sudan, and so on. And now we are having a big network. We are trying to develop even some personal projects together. So it has been a very good experience.
If I meet someone who's thinking of maybe joining this program, I would advise them first to keep an open mind. Second, they should identify their niche. Are they going to be in graphics design? Are they going to be in website development or something? Then from there, come and join the program when you know what you want to pick.
Oh, this is a very, very nice opportunity for the one who didn't know it, because it is very easy to learn and very easy to do it because it is online.
We have tried different talents and skills, and we have known that there is a huge market outside. So I can inform these people that this program is so beneficial, and they can actually get connected to fellow freelancers who are going to share more knowledge, and they will also open markets for them to grab online gig works.
Let them come with one heart, because I know when they reach in the program, they may come empty hands, but they will go with a handful of many skills.
I recommend many other refugees to get these programs and to enhance their experience on these platforms, online platforms.
I think so. It was a great project, and I encourage more of such projects to come in to help us. Thank you so much.
I thank the International Labour Organization with partners for giving us that great opportunity.
Online gig work.